Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video which is 9 Python tips that will boost your productivity skills. So in today's video I am sharing 9 Python tips that will instantly boost your productivity. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced coder, these tricks will help you write cleaner, faster and more Pythonic code. So let's start this. So the first one would be swap variable without a temporary variable. Okay, so we'll see a simple example of this, how to swap variable without any temporary variable. Okay, so this will swap the variable. Python lets you swap values in one line, no temporary variable needed. It saves times and keeps the code clean. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output of this, and we'll also add the source code CL coding here. Okay, so now moving on to the second one. So the second one is use list comprehension. I already told you many times that this is very important, very much time saving by using list comprehension. So these one-liners will boost your productivity skills and you will be the master. So this replaces multi-line loops with a single readable line. It is great for generating list quickly. So we'll see the output of this. So as we can see, within one line we generated the list, and now we'll move on to the third one, which is use F strings for formatting. Okay, so we'll see how we'll use F string. So this is how we use F string. F strings are faster and cleaner than percentage formatting or format method. It makes string interpolation simple. So let's see the output of this. So as we can see the output, and similarly now we'll move on to the fourth one. So the fourth one is enumerate instead of range plus index. Okay, so we'll use the enumerate method instead of range and index. So here we are creating a list. Okay, so this is how we use this enumerate method. And enumerate method provide index plus value in one go. It is cleaner than using the range length method. So here we can see the output of this. And now we'll move on to the fifth one, which is merge dictionary easily. Okay, so for this, firstly we'll create the dictionary. Okay, so these are the two dictionary we created here. And now we'll merge them. So this is how we have merged the two dictionaries, and now we'll print the merged dictionary. Okay, and now we'll see the output of this. What output will this give? So we can see the merged dictionary. So here we use this method to merge dictionaries in one line. In this, no loop is needed so that it make it more easy and understandable. And now we'll move on to the sixth one. So the sixth one is use loops when variable not needed. Means we have to use this underscore when the variable is not needed in the loops. Okay, so we'll see a simple example for this also, so that we can use in our projects. So here underscore signals that the loop variable isn't used and makes your code more readable. So let's see what output does it gives. So as we can see the output of this, and now we'll move on to the next one, which is seventh one. So the seventh one is use zip method to iterate multiple files. Okay, so we'll use zip method to iterate multiple lists. So we'll create some list firstly. So here we are using the zip method to iterate multiple lists, and now let's see the output. Because zip method combine multiple lists in easy iteration, in this no index counter is needed. So here we can see the output of this, and now we'll move on to the eighth one, so which is use set method to remove duplicates. So firstly we'll create a set. So here we have created a set, and now we'll find the unique elements. Okay, so this will find the unique elements. So this converts the list to set to remove duplicate instantly, which is great for quick data cleaning. So we'll see the output of this. So here we can see it removed the duplicate elements from it. So now the ninth one. So firstly we'll create a list and then we'll use the all method first and then we'll use the any. Now we'll see the output of this. All returns true if all elements meet the condition and any returns true if any element needed the condition. It is useful for quick validation. So here we can see the output of this, and there you have it. 9 Python tips to boost your productivity instantly. Try using them in your daily coding to see how much cleaner and faster your code becomes. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.